What's your favorite potato snack? Is it a crispy chip, a hearty wedge, or perhaps a comforting hash brown? Potatoes, a humble vegetable, have a remarkable capacity to transform into a wide array of delicious snacks. From the corner diner to gourmet restaurants, they've earned a spot on menus worldwide. Today, we're going to explore 5 fantastic potato snack recipes. Crispy potato chips, garlic parsley fries, Mexican-style spiced potatoes, rosemary salt fries, and paprika roasted potatoes. Ready to turn a simple potato into a tantalizing treat? Let's dive in. Starting with the classic, the crispy potato chip, thinly sliced and perfectly crunchy. First things first, we need to slice our potatoes. Thin slices are key for that ideal crunch. Next, we'll submerge these slices in water for about 30 minutes. Why, you ask? Well, this step helps to remove the excess starch, which will ultimately give us a crispier chip. With our potatoes soaking, let's turn our attention to the oil. We'll heat a good amount in a deep pot over medium heat. Once our potatoes are well drained and dried, into the hot oil they go. Remember to turn them regularly. We're looking for a beautiful golden color. After they've reached the perfect hue of gold, we'll use a slotted spoon to remove the chips from the oil and place them on kitchen paper to absorb any excess oil. Finally, sprinkle your favorite seasoning or just a pinch of salt over these golden beauties. There you have it, homemade crispy potato chips, a snack that never disappoints. Scene script. Next up, garlic parsley fries and Mexican-style spiced potatoes. 2 different flavors, same potato goodness. Let's start with the garlic parsley fries. Firstly, peel your potatoes and slice them into thin sticks. Heat up your oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot enough, carefully place your potato sticks into the oil. Stir them regularly until they turn a lovely golden color. Then, using a slotted spoon, remove the fries from the oil and place them on kitchen paper to absorb the excess oil. In a separate bowl, combine minced garlic, chopped parsley, and a pinch of salt. Sprinkle this garlic parsley mixture over your crispy fries and serve them while they're still hot. The result? Aromatic, flavorful fries that are just begging to be eaten. Now onto the Mexican-style spiced potatoes. This recipe starts similar to the previous one, but with an added twist. Peel your potatoes and cut them into thin slices or sticks. Place them in a bowl and add olive oil and Mexican spices such as chili powder, cumin, ground garlic, and paprika. Stir the potatoes well to ensure they're all coated in the spice mix. Fry the potatoes in hot oil until they're golden and crispy. Drain the excess oil and serve your Mexican-style spiced potatoes hot with some salsa on the side. 2 distinct potato snacks, both absolutely delicious. Which one would you prefer? For our final recipes, we have rosemary salt fries and paprika roasted potatoes. Savory and flavorful, these are sure to be a hit. Let's get started with the rosemary salt fries. First, peel and cut your potatoes into thin sticks. Heat oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add your potato sticks. Stir them regularly until they turn a beautiful golden color. After they've reached that perfect crispiness, use a strainer to remove them from the oil and place them on some kitchen paper to soak up the excess oil. Now for the final touch that really makes this dish stand out. In a separate bowl, combine finely chopped rosemary and salt. Sprinkle this heavenly mix over your fries and voila! Rosemary salt fries that are ready to impress. Next up, paprika roasted potatoes. Cut your potatoes into small pieces or sticks. In a bowl, toss them with some olive oil, paprika, and salt. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Spread the potatoes on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Roast the potatoes in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they're golden and crispy. And there you go. Serve these paprika roasted potatoes hot for a snack that's sure to please. And there you have it. 2 more ways to transform potatoes into a scrumptious snack. From crispy chips to spiced fries, we've explored some delightful ways to enjoy potatoes. We've journeyed through the crunchy world of potato chips, savored the garlic parsley fries, spiced things up with Mexican-style potatoes, and even added a touch of elegance with rosemary salt fries and paprika roasted potatoes. It's now your turn to bring these flavors to life in your kitchen. Don't be afraid to add your own twist, experiment with flavors, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Enjoy your cooking journey, and remember, a humble potato can be a star in your kitchen. Until next time, happy snacking!